Hey everyone, it's Anya here from the blog OurGabledHome.com, and today I'm going to do something that I haven't done before. I'm going to do an unboxing video. I often get emails or requests from companies to look at their products, and oftentimes, actually most of the time, I am not really impressed with these products. However, recently I received an email from a company called Public Goods, and when I looked into the company, I thought that I would actually like to try them out, and especially you might like to hear about this company. So Public Goods is a company that has no labels. They have a very minimalistic design, and you can get most of your household goods and pantry staples and personal care items, even dog food, cat food from them, and they'll send it to you. So I'm gonna open this box that I received yesterday, and we'll look at the products that I received. And then if you want to stay through the end of the video, I have a really nice offer for you as well. I want to mention something really quick about this video. There are companies out there that offer 1-day shipping, 2-day shipping. When I had placed my order, I received an order confirmation, and the same day I received, my cat's trying to get on the table here. I received a shipping confirmation, and it took 6 days for my order to arrive at my doorstep. So the first thing that I'm noticing is, well, first of all, the box there's no plastic on it, which I always like because I like to stay away from plastic as much as I can. And then I have paper here on top that is also nice, so no plastic wrapping. However, here we go. We do have some plastic here. And let's see what's in this. I'm gonna have to find another use for this plastic bag. I like this a lot. So here is peanut butter. I'm actually gonna use my glasses. I am at that age where I need some glasses sometimes for reading. So this is organic creamy peanut butter made with roasted peanuts, butter, and sea salt. No additives, certified organic. Of course, it's non-GMO, and it's a product of Spain, but that looks pretty good to me. Then I had ordered some lip balm. I can always use that. I always get dry, chapped lips, and even though I like to make my own most of the time, if somebody sends me some, I will take it. I also ordered a bamboo toothbrush, and let's have a look at those. Oh, there's 2 toothbrushes in there. Looks like it's a his and hers. They have a bit of an angle. Feels good in my hand. And even though bamboo toothbrushes are great because the handle is bamboo, the bristles most often are plastic, but that's better than having the whole toothbrush in plastic. So that looks pretty good to me. I like to switch my toothbrushes every 3 months, as your dentist recommends. And then we have a shampoo bar. What I love about shampoo bars about the concept of it is that you don't use a plastic bottle buying shampoo. Let's see if I can even open this. So here is a shampoo bar. Smells good enough to me, and let's see what it says on the package here. Lavender essential oil blend, rosemary, very good essential oils. I'm gonna give this a try, and maybe I'll do another video and let you know how I like those products. Then I ordered a can of kidney beans. Low sodium, that's always good. That's for a quick pantry meal. I ordered some organic English breakfast black tea. And I'm actually gonna look at this and see what those tea bags look like. The problem with tea bags is that they're often individually wrapped in plastic. That's something else that's not great. So ideally, I buy my tea in bulk. But it was one of the items that was offered. And since I do like a cup of black tea here and there, I thought I'll give this a try. Walnut scouring pads. They are always really nice in all of your household cleaning. As you might know, if you've been following me, and I have a video in which I talk about why I don't like the regular sponges that are made from plastic. I love to use cellulose sponges. However, they don't usually do a very good job scrubbing. So I use Bonami scouring powder, but these will be nice, and I will give those a test and see how long they last, because the last time I tried a walnut based sponge, I was not all that impressed because it didn't last very long. So we'll give these a try. And then I have some tree-free napkins. That was something else that was offered. And even though, again, we like to use linen napkins or cotton napkins because I can just throw them in the wash and reuse them, tree-free sounded pretty good to me. And when we have company, this is a good alternative. So far, I like most of their packaging. I do like the concept of not paying for brand names, and the idea that everything is organic and made with sustainability in mind. So that's something that I was pretty excited about to try out. Now, here's the exciting part for you, my viewers here. If you would like to try this company, you can use my code, which I will leave in the description box below this video. And it is Our Gabled Home PGA. So Our Gabled Home, all one word, and then the letters PGA. Again, I will leave the code in the box and also up here. And you can get 15% off your first order and a free trial membership. So I think that's a pretty nice offer. There's nothing to lose. You can order whatever you like and see how you like this company. And if you don't like it, you just cancel your membership and call it a day. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give me a like. And if you're new on my channel, I always love it if you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you never miss another video. Also, I always love to hear from you, so leave me all your comments and questions in the comment box. Underneath this video, you can also let me know if you'd like me to do a review of the products that I have received and see how they hold up, how they taste, how the shampoo works, and all of those things. And thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.